One of my neighbors is looking for a tiny mower so he can just mow in his dog run. This should do the trick. This mower was brand new, used maybe a couple times, and then parked under a tree. It was parked under overhang of a shed. That collapsed and was on top of it, and then the tree grew up. So this was pretty well buried. Asked my neighbor if they had if they had a mower in their backyard. Something they want to part with cheap. And they gave me this. So the brake that stops the flywheel from turning when you release the safety is frozen solid. I sprayed this off with a hose. It was pretty thickly caked. I've got a air filter and curb kit that should fit from another project. As far as oil goes, it looks over full and doesn't smell too bad. The sponge is full of cockroaches and just comes right apart. It's kind of nasty. Alright, so there was the air filter on it. It's one of these carburetors. The worst part is all of the gas that was in the tank is just completely turned to varnish. So the entire gas tank has to come off, get cleaned. Carburetor gas tank's got to come off, get cleaned. Definitely needs an oil change. Got brakes and straighten engine, so almost guarantee it's going to work. I need to free up this cable. It is completely frozen. I've got a little toy that should help with that. Anyhow, I'm going to fix this up for my neighbor, give it to him. Should be fun. Well, there it is. Let me find a light. It looks a bit crusty. I've got the carburetor off. And I'm actually going to stick some diesel in the gas tank to help clean. And tomorrow I'll get it all washed out. I'll have to clean off the carburetor. It actually doesn't look so bad. I think I've got a new screen for the bottom of that. That should be fine. I just got to clean out the tank so it doesn't have a bunch of crud. And the diesel will help loosen up the varnish. At least that's the theory. I've got to refill my diesel can. Just enough to get things started. So I guess tomorrow, picking up diesel. Some bad news. There's a hole in the tank. Fairly sizable one too. Looks like I'm just gonna order a new tank. It'll probably come with carburetor, gas cap, so this entire unit will just get replaced. And I'm gonna wind up with another carb kit. I've got 2 kits plus, anyhow, I'm accumulating Briggs parts. Alright, got the new gas tank. I did fire it up just to see if it would fire up. It does. Pulled the blade off. That is practically new. Still has all of its paint, most of its paint, but that definitely could use a touch-up. While I was at it, drained the oil. It was pretty nasty, but man, kind of expected. I like to use a flap disc for touching up the blade. I guess it'd help if I plugged it in. For the most part, try to keep the factory bevel